दोस्तों हमारे चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं कुछ महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक जैसे पीपी डाइक्लोरोडाइफेनिल ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन। डीडीटी क्या होता है? डीडीटी द फर्स्ट क्लोरीनेटेड ऑर्गेनिक इंसेक्टिसाइड्स was originally prepared in 1873, but it was not until 1939 that Paul Muller Geigy Pharmaceutical in Switzerland discovered the effectiveness of DDT as an insecticide. Paul Miller was awarded by Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology in 1948 for his discovery. The use of DDT increased enormously on a worldwide basis after World War II, primarily because of the effectiveness against the mosquito that spread malaria and lice that carry lifus. However, problems related to extensive use of DDT began to appear in the late 1940s. Many species of insects developed resistance to DDT and it was discovered to have a high toxicity towards fish. The chemical stability of DDT and its fat solubility compounded the problem. DDT is not metabolized very rapidly by animals. Instead, it is deposited and stored in fatty tissues. If ingestion continues at steady rate, DDT builds up within the animal over time. The use of DDT was banned in the United States in 1973, although it is still in use in some other parts of the world. Dichloromethane methylene dichloride. Dichloromethane is widely used as a solvent, as a paint remover, propellant in aerosols, and as a process solvent in the manufactured drug. It is also used as a metal cleaning and finishing solvent. Methylene chloride harms the human central nervous system. Exposed to lower levels of methylene chloride in air can lead to slightly impaired hearing and vision. Higher levels of methylene chloride in air can dizziness, nausea, tingling, and numbness in the fingers and toes. Human direct skin contact with methylene dichloride causes interior burning and mild redness of the skin. Direct contact with the eye burn the cornea. Trichloromethane chloroform. Chemically, chloroform is employed as a solvent for fat, alkali, iodine, and other substances. The major use of chloroform today the production of the freon refrigerant R22. It was once used as a general anesthetic in surgery but has been replaced by less safer anesthetics such as ether might be expected from its anesthetic. Inhaling chloroform vapors decreases the nervous system breathing about 900 part of the chloroform per part of the air, 900 ppm for a short time. That can dizzy, fatigue, and headache. Chronic chloroform exposure may cause disease to liver, where chloroform is metabolized to phosgene and kidney, and some people who develop sores when the skin is immersed in chloroform. Chloroform is slowly oxidized by air in the presence light to an extremely poisonous gas. Carbonyl chloride, also known as phosgene, it is therefore stored in closed, dark colored completed field so that air is kept out. 2CHCl3 plus O2 light में COCl2 plus 2HCl. Triiodomethane iodine. It was used earlier as an antiseptic, but the antiseptic property due to liberation of free iodine and not due to farm itself to its objectionable smell. It has been replaced by other formulas containing iodine. Tetrachloromethane carbon tetrachloride is produced in large quantity for use in the manufacture refrigerant and propellant for aerosol cans. It is also used feedstock in the synthesis of chlorofluorocarbons and other chemical pharmaceutical manufacturing and general solvent use. Until the 1960s, it was also widely used as a cleaning fluid, both in inductive and as a degreasing agent, and in the home as a spot remover and fire extinguishers. There is some evidence that exposure to carbon tetrachloride causes liver cancer in humans. The most common dizziness, lightheadedness, nausea, and vomiting, which can cause permanent change damage to nerve cells in severe cases. These effects can lead rapidly to stupor, coma, unconsciousness, or death. Exposure to CCl4 can make the heart beat irregularly or both. The chemical may irritate The eyes are contact when tetrafluoro is released into the air, it rises to the atmosphere and it depletes the ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer is believed to increase human exposure to ultraviolet rays, leading to increased skin cancer, eye disease, and disorders, and possible disruptions of immune system. Freons, the chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane, are collectively known as freons. So these are extremely stable, reactive, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and easily liquefiable gases. Freon 12 CCl2F2 is one of the most common freons in industrial use. It is manufactured from tetrachloromethane by Schwartz reaction. These are usually produced for aerosol propellant refrigeration and air conditioning purposes. By 1970, total freon production in the world was about 2 million billion pounds annually. Most freon, even that used in refrigeration, eventually make its way into the atmosphere where it diffuses and changed into the stratosphere. In a stratosphere, freon is able to initiate radical chain reactions that can upset the natural ozone balance. Summary: aryl alkyl halide can be classified as mono, di, and polyhalogen tetraethanol compounds, whether depending on whether they contain one, two, or more halogen atoms. Their structure, since the halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon, the carbon halogen bond of alkyl halide is polarized. The carbon atom bears a partial positive charge and the halogen bears a partial negative charge. Alkyl halides are prepared by the free radical halogenation of alkenes, addition of halogen acids to alkenes, replacement of OH group of alcohol with halogens using phosphorus halide, thionyl chloride, or halogen acid. Aryl halides are prepared by electrophilic substitution to arenes, fluorides, and iodides are best prepared by halogenation exchange method. The boiling point of the organohalogen compounds are comparatively higher than the corresponding hydrocarbon because of the strong dipole-dipole and van der Waals forces of attraction. These are slightly soluble in water but completely soluble in organic solvent. The polarity of carbon bond of alkyl halides is responsible for the nucleophilic substitution, elimination, and their reaction with metal atoms to form organometallic compound. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are categorized into SN1 and SN2 on the basis of their kinetic property. Chirality has a profound role understanding the reaction mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reactions. SN2 reactions are chiral alkyl halides are characterized by inversion of configuration, while SN1 reactions are characterized by racemization. Number of polyhalogen compound dichloromethane, chloroform, diidofan, carbon tetrachloride, freon, and DDT have many industrial applications, while some of these compounds cannot be easily decomposed and even cause depletion ozone layer and are proving environmental hazard. S2SO4 cannot be used along with Ki in the conversion of an alcohol to an alkyl anide, as it converts Ki to corresponding Hi and then oxidize I to I2. Cl, CH2, 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 Cl, Cl, CH2, Cl, Cl, Cl3, Cl2, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3, C, Cl2, CH3. All the hydrogen atoms are equivalent and replacement of any hydrogen will give the same product. The equivalent hydrogens are grouped as A, B, and C. The replacement of equivalent hydrogen will give the same product. Similarly, the equivalent hydrogens are grouped as A, B, C, D. The four isomeric products are possible. ClO, CH, Br, O2N, CH3, OH, B, CH2, Cl, CH3, I, CH2, CH3, CH2I, Br, chloromethane, bromomethane, dibromoethane, bromoform boiling point increases with increase in molecular mass. Isopropyl chloride, 1 chloropropane, 1 chlorobutane. Isopropyl chloride being branched has lower boiling point than 1 chloropropane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br being primary halide, they won't be any steric hydrogen. CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3 secondary halide reacts faster than tertiary halide. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2Br, the presence the methyl group closer to the halide and increase the steric hindrance and decrease the rate. Tertiary halide reacts faster than secondary halide because of the greater stability of carbocation. Because of greater stability of secondary carbocation than primary. AMGBr B is equal to benzene. R बराबर है C बराबर R MgBr R बराबर CH3 CH CH2 R dash CH3 C CH3 CH3 D is equal to CH3 C CH3 MgX E=H2C, C=H3, C=H3H। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, यहीं पर आज समाप्त करते हैं। चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।